Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the most popular and versatile fruits in the world, the banana. Whether you enjoy them in your smoothie, on your cereal, or as a quick snack on the go, bananas are not only delicious, but also packed with amazing health benefits. Curious to learn more? Let's dive in. Bananas are known for being rich in potassium, a mineral that's crucial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in your diet. This can lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Just one banana provides about 12% of your daily potassium needs, making it a simple and tasty way to keep your heart ticking along smoothly. Feeling a little off in the stomach? Bananas might be just what you need. They're a great source of dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber, which helps slow down digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. This makes bananas a go-to snack for those looking to improve their digestive health or ease constipation. Plus, the natural pectin in bananas can help normalize bowel function and soothe your digestive system, making them gentle on your stomach even when you're not feeling your best. Need a quick energy boost? Grab a banana. Bananas are rich in natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose, combined with fiber, making them an ideal source of sustained energy. That's why you often see athletes munching on a banana before or after a workout. It's the perfect fuel for your body, giving you a quick pick-me-up without the crash. So whether you're hitting the gym, heading to work, or just need a snack to get through the day, a banana is a smart and healthy choice. Did you know that bananas can actually make you happier? Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Combined with their vitamin B6 content, which helps in the production of serotonin, bananas can help boost your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. So next time you're feeling a little down, try reaching for a banana to help lift your spirits naturally. If you're watching your weight, bananas can be a great ally. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer and can curb overeating. The natural sweetness of bananas can also satisfy sugar cravings, making them a healthier alternative to sugary snacks. Whether you enjoy them as a snack or add them to your meals, bananas are a filling and nutritious option that can support your weight management goals. But bananas aren't just good for your insides, they can also benefit your skin. Bananas are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that nourish your skin. The vitamin C in bananas helps with collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. You can even use mashed banana as a natural face mask to moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. So, whether you eat them or apply them, bananas can help you achieve that healthy glow. One of the best things about bananas is their versatility. You can enjoy them in so many ways: blend them into smoothies, slice them onto your cereal, bake them into bread, or simply eat them as is. They're a convenient and delicious way to add more nutrition to your diet. So go ahead, make bananas a regular part of your daily routine, and start enjoying all the amazing health benefits they have to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. They might just go bananas for it too. See you in the next video.